Random fun fact. Salary. The concept of money has been around for thousands of years, with different societies using various forms of currency, such as shells, beads, and precious metals. However, the concept of a salary, or regular payment for work, is a relatively modern invention. The word salary comes from the Latin word salarium, which was a payment made to Roman soldiers for the purchase of salt. Salt was a valuable commodity in ancient times and was used to preserve food, so it was considered an important part of a soldier's compensation. The word salary came to refer to any form of payment for work in the centuries that followed. In the early days of the Roman Republic, soldiers were not paid a regular salary. Instead, they were given a small amount of money to purchase equipment and were expected to live off the land while on campaign. However, as the Roman Republic grew and expanded, it became increasingly difficult to maintain a large standing army without providing them with regular pay. Additionally, soldiers began to demand more compensation for their service as the dangers and hardships of being a soldier became more apparent. To address this problem, the Roman government began to provide soldiers with a regular salary, known as a salarium. This payment was made in the form of money or in kind, such as grain, clothing, or even slaves. However, the most important component of the salarium was salt. Salt was a valuable commodity in ancient times and was used to preserve food. It was considered so important that the word for salary, salarium, is derived from the Latin word for salt, sal. As the Roman Empire expanded, the concept of a salary spread to other parts of the world. The Byzantine Empire, which was the eastern continuation of the Roman Empire, also provided its soldiers with a regular salary. This tradition was passed down to the Islamic Caliphate, which emerged after the collapse of the Byzantine Empire, and it eventually spread to Europe during the Middle Ages. The concept of a salary was not limited to soldiers, however. Civil servants, such as government officials and bureaucrats, also began to receive regular pay for their work. This allowed the government to attract and retain talented individuals and helped to create a more stable and efficient bureaucracy. Today, the concept of a salary is an integral part of modern society. Almost everyone who works for a living receives a regular paycheck, and the amount of money that one earns is often used as a measure of success and social status. However, it is important to remember that the origin of the word salary comes from the Roman soldiers who were paid in salt, which was considered a precious commodity and had a huge value in ancient times. In conclusion, the concept of money and salary has evolved over thousands of years. The word salary comes from the Roman Empire, where soldiers were paid with money and salt as a compensation for their work. This practice spread to other parts of the world and became an integral part of modern society, where salary is a regular payment for work that provides stability and security for both employers and employees.